Hey! It's Marie. Let's talk about something real. You've crossed the fabulous 50-year mark. You have lived. You have learned. You have so much wisdom and so many stories packed inside of you. But maybe, just maybe, there's a little voice inside you whispering, "What's next for me?" Perhaps you're thinking about bringing in some extra income. Or maybe it's not just about the money. Maybe you're looking for a new sense of purpose, a new project to pour your incredible energy into. You see people making things happen online, and you think, could I do that? The answer is a resounding yes. You absolutely can. This is your time. Okay, so you're feeling the spark. You're ready to believe that this is possible for you. That is the most important first step. But it leads directly to the next big question. Where in the world do you actually start? The internet is vast. It's like a giant buffet with thousands of dishes. If you try to taste everything at once, you will get a serious stomach ache. The key is to walk the line slowly, look at the options, and choose just one thing to put on your plate. You don't need to know how to build a website from scratch or become a social media guru overnight. You just need one good idea to focus on. The beauty of starting an online business today is that it's more accessible than ever before. You don't need a fancy business degree or a huge bank loan. Most of the ideas we'll talk about can be started with very little money, sometimes for free. They are built on a simple principle, sharing what you already know and love with people who want to learn it. Our first idea is one of the most popular ways to start making money online. It's called affiliate marketing. Now, don't let the term scare you. It's actually very simple. Affiliate marketing is just recommending products or services that you love. When someone buys that product using your special, unique link, you earn a small commission. You don't have to create the product. You don't have to ship it. You don't have to handle customer service. You are simply the trusted friend who says, "Hey, I love this gardening tool, and here's where you can get it." It's like being a helpful guide for people online. This model is absolutely brilliant for people over 50 for a few key reasons. First, the startup cost is extremely low. You don't need to buy inventory. You don't need to rent a warehouse. You can start with a simple blog. You can start with a social media page, even just by sharing links with an email list. Second, and more importantly, it allows you to leverage your lifetime of experience. Think about all the products you've used and loved over the years. The best kitchen gadgets, the most comfortable walking shoes, the books that changed your life, the skincare that actually works. Next up, let's talk about becoming a star in your own right with a YouTube channel. You might think YouTube is just for gamers and pop stars, but that couldn't be further from the truth. YouTube is a massive search engine where people go to learn how to do things, how to fix a leaky faucet, how to knit a sweater, how to make the perfect sourdough bread, how to plan a trip to Italy on a budget, and they love learning from real, relatable people. You don't need to be a slick Hollywood producer. You just need a smartphone and something to share with the world. This is a fantastic avenue for anyone over 50 because it's all about storytelling and showing, not just telling. Your life experience is a goldmine of content. Maybe you're a retired mechanic, a master gardener, or you can share leadership advice from decades in management. People connect with faces and voices. Seeing your warm smile and calm, confident tone builds a level of trust that's hard to achieve with text alone. It feels personal and real. Here's a simple tip. Don't worry about being perfect. Just start. Use the phone in your pocket. Set it up on a stack of books. Talk about something you know inside and out. Your authenticity is your greatest asset. Our third idea is all about directly monetizing your decades of wisdom. This is online coaching or consulting. Think of it as being a mentor, a guide, a trusted advisor. You've been there, you've done that, and now you can help others follow in your footsteps with fewer stumbles. Career coaching for young professionals, life coaching for recent retirees, consulting for small businesses on financial management. Meet clients online through video calls. Provide personalized advice and support. This path is tailor-made for the 50-plus crowd because it values experience above all. You're not selling a physical product. You're selling your wisdom, your perspective, your guidance. This often translates to a higher income per hour. People will pay a premium for a shortcut. They want someone who's already navigated the maze they're in. Say you navigated a major career change in your 40s, become a career pivot coach. Or you raised 3 successful children. Become a parenting coach for overwhelmed new parents. Offer one-on-one sessions or packages of 3 or 5 calls. Simple tip: offer a free 15-minute discovery call. You don't need a fancy website to start, just a way for people to book a call. Use free tools like Calendly. Let's move on to an idea that can feel like magic: selling digital products. A digital product is anything a customer can buy and download instantly from the internet. Ebook, printable checklist, spreadsheet template, short online course, collection of recipes. The core concept is beautiful in its simplicity. You put in the work to create the product one time, and you can sell it over and over again, forever, without any additional effort. No shipping, no inventory, no running out of stock. It's a truly scalable business model. This is an amazing option for anyone over 50. It lets you package your knowledge into a tangible asset. It turns your expertise into something people can buy 24/7, even while you are sleeping, while you're gardening, or spending time with your grandkids. For example, if you're a fantastic budgeter, you could create a beginner's budgeting toolkit, spreadsheet templates, a printable spending tracker, a short guide on how to save money. You create it once, and hundreds, even thousands, could buy it over the years. Are you the go-to for planning family reunions? Sell a family reunion planning kit, checklists, invitation templates, a sample schedule. Do you organize digital photos? Sell a short video course, Conquering Your Digital Photo Clutter. Sell on Etsy, or on your own simple website. It's about creating a helpful resource that saves time or solves a problem. Right? Here's a simple tip to get going. Start with a small, simple product. Don't try to write a 300-page ebook or create a 20-hour course. Instead, create a $7-10 tripwire like a one-page checklist or a simple template, say, a weekly meal planner template. Get that first sale, then build from there. This next idea is perhaps the most direct path to online income, offering freelance services. Freelancing simply means you are your own boss, and you offer your professional skills to clients on a project-by-project basis. You are not an employee, you are an independent contractor. The best part is, you almost certainly already have valuable skills that people will pay for right now. You don't need to learn a whole new trade. You just need to repackage what you already know how to do for the online market. This is an ideal route for the 50-plus generation because it builds directly on your past career. Were you an administrative assistant? Offer virtual assistant services. In accounting? Offer online bookkeeping. A writer or editor? Offer proofreading and content writing services. Your decades of professional experience, your reliability, and your strong work ethic are huge selling points. It's a flexible way to work on your own terms. You find clients on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, or by networking within your own professional circles on sites like LinkedIn. You agree on a scope of work and a price, you complete the work, and you get paid. Here's a simple tip to get your first client. Start by reaching out to your existing network. Instead of competing with thousands, send a polite email or LinkedIn message to former colleagues, friends, contacts. Let them know what you offer and ask for referrals. Your first client is often someone who already knows, likes, and trusts you. Let's talk about a wonderfully creative and hands-off idea called print on demand. You create a design, like a funny slogan, a beautiful drawing, or a cool graphic. You upload the design to a site like Printful or Redbubble. Place it on products, t-shirts, coffee mugs, tote bags, posters. List those virtual products in your online store. A customer buys a mug. The print-on-demand partner prints it, packages it, ships it to the customer. You never touch the product. Perfect for people over 50 with a creative spark. Why? because there is zero inventory risk. Products are created only after a customer pays. That equals massive creative freedom. Your life experience is a well of ideas. Witty sayings for mugs, book club totes, grandparent teas like World's Best Papa, or cute grandkid designs. Set up a store on Etsy or Shopify. Tip: you don't need to be a pro designer. Use free tools like Canva and start with simple text-based designs. Retired, not expired. Powered by coffee and grandkids. Keep it simple and have fun. Our final idea is a classic for a reason. Starting a blog or a niche website. A blog is a website where you write and publish articles regularly. The topic can be anything you're passionate about. Retirement travel, container gardening, historical fiction novels, caring for aging parents, learning guitar after 50, or anything in between. You build an audience who come to read and learn. Blogging is a fantastic long-term strategy. It's not get rich quick. It's like planting a tree. It takes time and consistent effort to grow, but once established, it can provide shade and income for years. Startup costs are very low. It lets you become a recognized authority. Your life experience gives you a deep well of content ideas. A blog is a digital asset you own. You can make money several ways: affiliate marketing, ads, and digital products. Example: a fishing blog. Write about the best fishing spots, review rods with affiliate links, and sell a beginner's guide to fly fishing. Tip: choose a niche specific enough to stand out, but broad enough to write about. Food is too broad. Vegan baking is better. Gluten-free vegan desserts is even more specific. Before you start, brainstorm 50 article titles. Consistency beats brilliance. Commit to one new article every week. Whew! We have covered a lot of ground. We've looked at 7 different, completely achievable ways you can start making an income and a new impact online. Affiliate marketing, YouTube, coaching, digital products, freelancing, print on demand, blogging. Your head might be spinning with all the possibilities, and that's a good thing. It means you're seeing the potential that lies in front of you. But now comes the most important part, the moment of decision. Not a big, scary, forever decision, but a small, simple one. Your only job right now is to choose one. Just one. Which one felt the most exciting? Which one made you think, I could actually do that? Don't overthink it. Don't worry about which one will make the most money the fastest. Choose the one that feels the most like you. Passions, skills, personality. The single biggest mistake is trying to do 2 or 3 of these at once. Pick your one path and put on your blinders. Once you have your one idea, start small, incredibly small. One blog post, one 2-minute video, one simple t-shirt design. The goal is to get a small win, to take one tiny step forward. This is a marathon, not a sprint. It will take time. You will have moments of doubt. You will make mistakes. Every single successful person you see online has been through it. The only difference is that they kept going. They were patient, with the process and with themselves.